2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
9, 10,
9, 10,
11, 12.
11, 12.
Chal, come.
Baby,
Hug
come
baby.
12.
Hug baby. And say love you, baby.
I love you, baby.
So when is baby's birthday?
Atu. Number.
Yes.
And me.
When is your birthday?
October.
Yes, you're right, Chulu.
And
You're
you.
When is Amma's birthday? When is Amma's birthday? Tell. When is Amma's birthday?
Marcy.
No, March is Appa's. Amma's?
Deepika.
Amma name is Deepika. When is Amma's birthday?
I don't know.
June month?
Jumat.
Yes, June month.
And
Amma's
Appa?
birthday. Appa's March.
March.
Yes, you're right.
And me. And Atur Arjun.
Other Arjun, I don't know.
Atur Arjun and October. And me, Arjun and October.
Yes, Arjun's birthday is October.
And Atur Arjun.
I don't know, Chillo, when is his birthday. We'll check with their grandmother, okay? We'll check with his grandmother. Because Amma don't know. Okay?
I don't know.
Olivia.